Linus Sebastian, the Canadian YouTube personality, is a popular tech guru
The creator of a YouTube empire spanning 7 channels and 15 million subscribers.
He's an icon in the tech community thanks to his PC building knowledge and extensive...
You want to know how to build a PC? Ask this guy.
Okay, who's the sponsor for this one?
It's iFixit?
Yeah, okay. iFixit's new Mahi driver kit includes their 1/4-inch aluminum screwdriver handle with a magnetic bit socket, knurled grip, and swivel top, plus 48 driver bits. Check it out at the link below. Now for the cherry on top, it's time to install the graphics card. And cut. Okay, go throw that in for me.
You ready? You know, if you just took the 30 seconds to learn how to do this, you wouldn't need my help all the time.
Yeah, just make sure he's not in the shot. Are you done?
Yeah.
All right. Rolling. And now I've just installed the graphics card, which means we should be having a great gaming experience with this rig. Just need to fire it up.
And that's the main reason I left. The cold, hard truth is... Linus Sebastian doesn't know a thing about building computers.
And you're saying people care about this. It's just a fan and some metal.
It's a heat sink, like it gives you more cooling and then your computer goes faster.
That's brilliant. Okay, here's the title. Make your computer game faster with this one easy trick.
Okay,
Write that down.
It's a bit more complicated than that, so this one here's the thermoset.
The crazy thing is that this has been going on since day one. I'm shocked no one picked up on it years ago, when the hands in all the B-roll footage were clearly Asian and Linus is white.
He hires people who know what they're doing, and then he pays them to make it look like he knows what he's doing. Why do you think LMG has so many staff? We make YouTube videos, like vlogs and not Oscar-nominated films. That doesn't take 30 people.
Unless you're trying to make somebody who wears socks and sandals look smart on camera.
Welcome to ROG Reboot 2018.
It's ROG, not ROG.
Oh my god. Who cares?
People care. Look, they're not gonna pay us unless we say it properly, right?
Well then, next time, why don't you make sure that if it's ROG, you write ROG on the f***ing script. Just redo it.
We have to script everything, word for word. Like, oh, you thought the WAN show was live? We filmed those back to back.
Thanks for tuning in. See you again next week. Same bad time, same bat channel.
Bye.
Okay, we're off. Wardrobe change, let's go. One more.
Do we have to? I'm really tired, and I've got a lot of stuff going on at home.
Yeah. Okay. Ready?
Sure.
And we're live. Welcome to the WAN show, ladies and gentlemen.
Luke almost went public, but Linus found out. Why do you think you don't see him on the channel anymore?
Flow plane. Yeah, that's totally a real company. It's a dog pound.
I wanted to end this years ago. It's not right. No one says anything to his face, but I don't think anyone here respects him.
Core i3, Core i5, Core i...
He's done dozens of tutorials showing other people how to build PCs. You'd think after faking it for so long, he'd have picked up a thing or two.
No one even built anything in here. I gotta redo it. it, just put it back together, let me know when it's done.
I honestly can't believe Linus has lasted this long. Like, the guy is so tech illiterate, he doesn't know the light on a webcam means it's recording.
No, I'm not gonna look at it. I don't give a shit about tech. LTTstore.com. That's the real play. I know. They're too stupid to figure it out. They'll buy anything with my name on it. I've told you before, it's really not about the money at this point. This is about leaving a legacy.
The legacy should be our kids.
Look, Hey, are you recording?
Oh, no.
Sorry, what video is this for? You know what? It doesn't matter. All-in-one business invoicing and accounting solution. That's FreshBooks. It's designed to be simple and intuitive so you can spend less time on paperwork and you can automate tasks like invoicing, organizing expenses, tracking time, and following it up. Hey, can you advance the prompter for me, please?
Jeez. Sorry, Linus.
One more time. The best part is that everything is stored in the cloud so you can switch from the PC to your mobile device with ease. Pricing starts at just $15 per month with their $25 a month package handling up to 50 billable clients. So get 50% off your first 3 months of FreshBooks when you sign up for a paid plan at freshbooks.com/techtips. Now they send me the check, right? Hey.
Yeah.
Yep, all right, I'm out.
Yeah. All right.